Every journey has a beginning. For the class of 2026, that journey started with a single step into lecture halls, late nights, and moments that would shape who you've become. You showed up. You worked hard. You laughed. You doubted yourselves, and you kept going anyway. And today, all of that comes full circle. Congratulations, class of 2026. We are incredibly proud of you, of who you've become, and of everything that's still ahead. From all of us at UMFST UMCH, thank you for the energy you brought to this place. You leave a mark here that won't be forgotten. Wherever your path leads next, we wish you every success. Congratulations.